welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing y'all my everyday natural makeup routine. If you guys are interested in that, then please keep on watching. Alrighty guys, starting off with a nice fresh face, I'm going to take my Badescu Rose Water Spray and just drench myself in this heavenly concoction. Now I'm going to move on to the brows, and for that I use my Loreal Brow Stylist Definer in the shade Dark Brown. This has got to be one of my favorite brow pencils of all time. The only thing I hate about it is that it runs out really quickly, and that gets on my nerves because I have to keep constantly buying it, but nonetheless I really like this brow pencil. As you can see, I'm just starting to slowly fill in my brows. Whenever I do a natural type of makeup look, I really don't try to make my brows too heavy or too dark. I go in with really light strokes and focus on building up the product instead of just packing it on. Now going into my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium, I'm taking this on an e.l.f. flat definer brush and just cleaning up my brows. Now taking this BH Cosmetics brush, I'm just using that to blend out the concealer. To finish off the brows, I'm taking my Great Lash Mascara from Maybelline in the translucent one, and I'm just using these to set my brows. Moving on to the face, I'm taking one of my favorite primers of all time, which is the Benefit Porefessional, and I'm just massaging this into my skin. It makes your skin feel super soft. Now I'm going into my L'Oreal True Match Foundation. I believe I'm in the shade Caramel, which is actually really too dark for me right now because your girl needs a tan. But I'm taking a little bit onto this what is this, Real Techniques foundation brush, and I'm just dotting that all over my face and then starting to blend it out. Going back into my Fit Me concealer, I'm going to start concealing and highlighting. So I'll put it underneath my eyes, on top of my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and on my chin. And of course, to blend all of that out, we're going to take a beauty blender. To set all of our concealer into place, I'm going to take my Mercier translucent setting powder and just press this into my skin rather than baking, because when I'm doing a more natural look, I like to just press it into my skin because I feel like baking just sometimes can make your face look a little bit too cakey. I cannot forget to set my smile lines because them things be acting a fool throughout the day. So in order to keep them under control, I gotta set them with some translucent powder. And right here I'm just setting my eyes with the same powder. And now I'm going to do a light contour with my Wet n Wild contouring palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. As you can see, I'm just taking my angled brush and going in circular motions. I don't know why my voice keeps going up and down. I'm gonna try and stop that. Now onto one of my favorite parts. I'm taking this blush palette from BH Cosmetics and I'm going to apply this blush to my cheekbones. I did it again. For highlight, I am taking my Ultimate Glow Kit, and you can already tell which shade is my favorite. And I'm going to take this on a BH Cosmetics brush and highlight my face, girlfriend. I don't know about you guys, but I love me a good chin highlight, so I'm going to take some onto my chin as well. Also going to take this into my, what is that called? Tear duct, whatever, and also onto my brow bone. To set our face, I'm going to take my Milani Make It Last setting spray, and I'm going to spray a lot. Going into my Yes Please palette from ColourPop, I'm taking one of my all-time favorite transition shades of life. This is literally like my perfect transition shade, and I'm just gonna pop this into my crease. To finish off the eyes, I'm taking my Maybelline Falsies mascara and applying this onto my eyelashes. Now I'm taking my NYX Butter Gloss. I'm not sure of the name of it, but I'll be sure to link everything down below. And of course, to top that off, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and that will complete the look. Alrighty guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you liked it, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, okay? Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!